SAMUmusic.
Some people like to judge me for this life I'm living, how it makes no sense to them, just perfect for me. They will never get it. Picture me and forget it, cause all my cutties rolling with me, and they see what I see. This is the life for me.
Yeah, every day is a test, yes. Although we stress, try our best not to look a mess. This I finesse, FIFA weed, put it in my chest. Really my stress, even friends that I call the best, they even left. Fuck them all to my last breath. Until I fall, I'm a ball, I don't play the bench. I'm really in the game, beastin' like I'm supposed to. A young cutty kicking game from the old school. You know juice, see the truth, never tell a lie. But nowadays it's only lies being televised. They glorify fake dreams, keep them hella high. Unreachable for the youth, so they'll never try. Long as you hang in my gang, boy, you better ride. The fucking slice, raise the price, we gon' sell a pie. As if we never ate, split it up and celebrate. Even though they hella hate, we still gon' elevate the realest.
Some people like to judge me,
don't judge me
for this life I'm living, how it makes no sense to them, just perfect for me. They will never get it. Picture me and forget it, cause all my cutties rolling with me, and they see what I see. This is the life for me.
No matter which way you put it, it's all odds against me. Only reason I'm juking, cause my team gotta eat. Cold of the street, shit runs deep, especially when everybody out for a piece. Get hit cheap from your own folks, this shit really ain't that sweet. But I'm a T, I'ma shake the heat while standing on both my feet. From the east, from a young pup to a big dog on these beats. Take it on the chin like straight up beasts is what I try to teach my youth. Please don't believe what you see on TV, cause most that shit ain't true. They gon' judge, they gon' fuss, that's about how you get your loot. You always wrong, it's never enough, but guess what, I'ma do what I do. Middle finger to you, middle finger to you. I'm leaving all my haters with the blues. Either I'm getting it with you, or I ain't getting it with you. If you don't know, little boy, get a clue. Some people will never get it, but I'ma do me till I clock out. And if one of these haters get me, mine's gon' rob it.
Some people like to judge me for this life I'm living, how it makes no sense to them, just perfect for me. They will never get it. Picture me and forget it, cause all my cutties rolling with me, and they see what I see. This is the life for me.
In the system where we made to fail, I refuse to take an L. Trials and tribulations, I done faced it, I had my taste of hell. I only trust my brothers, I done witness friends are fake as hell. Hang around shit long enough, you gon' stink as well. Mama raised a man, so I don't ever have my hand out. I get it how I live, cause for my kids, I gotta stand out. Every move I make is never random, got it planned out. I ain't these other rappers, they ain't living what they rap out. Temptation all around me every day, but I got tunnel vision. Focused on my goals, so you don't feel me cause your hunger missing. I do what it takes to win, like the 89 Pistons. I've been looking high and low, but I don't see no competition. I know these haters mad because I smile a lot, but I'm healthy and blessed, I got a lot to smile about. We got the same 24 hours, what you crying about? All I did was hustle and my struggle started dying out.
Some people judge me for this life I'm living, how it makes no sense to them, just perfect for me. They will never get